That's the way to do it. Yep. Should be getting close to my skis, I think.
I didn't see you at all. I was about to check my GPS and make sure I was still on the right track.
Oh, you didn't hear me.
No, I didn't hear you.
I said that's the way to do it.
No, I didn't hear you at all.
My skis.
We're right back on the track still.
Yeah. Real close. Yes, it is.
The shady spot is kind of hard.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing nothing but drooling watching you right now.
Well,
if you're here next winter, we do this differently.
okay, I'm up for it.
I mean, yeah.
Definitely.
I was thinking.
It's a lot of extra work carrying all that weight. But this part makes it work.
It's worth, yeah. Yeah, I was thinking early this morning, oh, I'm sorry I got Wes into this. This is a mess. I'm not gonna. Then we get that far up. I still can't get up there. My skis, sure, I could do it.
Yep.
It wouldn't be much faster than walking. The way I'm going down now is faster than on those skis.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Just walking down.
Yep, because I'm kind of skiing on my feet too.
Yep, yep. Well, and when you're on the skis, it's kind of, you're trying not to go to the front.
I'm fighting them.
Yeah.
Because I did go up Brown Mountain and coming down, it was, yeah, when it was powder, it was nothing but face plants.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's just, they're short enough. That,
Yeah, and the heel's not locked in, it's just the way it is.
Yep. And so then
It's good for what it's good for.
You got a full-on telly ski.
Yeah.
Because your heel's not locked in.
Yep.
Then you're trying to telly ski on short skis.
Yes.
Which is difficult.
Yep.
I mean, telly is hard.
Yep.
But then when you add a short ski, it's really
Yeah.
next level difficult.
But the short skis are great for getting me through all the trees.
Yep.
And everything when there's not a big slope.
Well, and if you're just going to be like, I'm going to go to around 4 Mile Lake.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yep.
Because you're not really going up. Big,
Yep.
No big time up.
Exactly. It's the steep stuff.
This has got to be the right ridge. Got to be close. I keep feeling that. Now you got some really short skis.
Yep.
Doing it like that.
But hey, I got some duckbills on the front.
Kind of a little nose.
Yeah.
So I bet you're. Oh wait, do I see them?
Should. I mean, we got to be within spitting distance now. Whoops.
Well, they decided to follow me, but they're both there.
You see them?
Yep, they're both there.
Okay.
They did fall down,
Oh, right here. I'm still looking down there.
but they didn't go down.
Wow.
The landmark was that very nice dead tree.
Oh,
That was the
good for you. I didn't think, I figured they'd stay up.
that was